Good morning, guys. All right, so Tamir and Steven, this is for you. You guys are starting fractions. So what you're going to do is, I don't have your textbook online, so we're going to use this new textbook, but this is the new section you're going to be starting. So here we have this square, and they broke it up into 4 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many sections you have, that's going to be the bottom number of your fraction. The part that's shaded in or has the lines is your top number. So you only have 1 out of the 4 that's shaded, so 1/4. This is what they tell you right here, sorry, 1/4. Okay, so now we have how many here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 would be our bottom number right here. How many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 would be your top number. I'm not going to worry about reducing fractions right now, so please do not worry about this part right here. Let's just get the basics down first. So now when you have your self-test, they give you the answers here in this textbook, so don't look at them right away if you can. Try to hide them. I know, it's hard. So what do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 will be your bottom number, but they want to know how many is marked with the lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is going to be 4 over 12. So when you do the bottom, I want you to do down here, exercise 1.1. Okay, remember, this whole thing is your bottom number, and right here for A, they want the ones that are with the lines. So this will be your top number, and then this will be your that'll be your bottom number.